I recently got this coffee bean grinder. I chose this one because it looked really easy to use. I'm brand new to, grinding up my own coffee beans, and this one looked pretty simple, and it is. I'm going to show you how easy it is to use. It's pretty straightforward to use. It kind of shows you on the inside the max that you want to fill the beans. So I'm just going to put mine in there. Being careful not to get them everywhere. All right. So those are in there. I'm just going to put my lid back on. Before I put that lid back on, I want to show you it has a lock and an unlock feature right there. So I put the lid back on, and you can choose how coarse you want your beans right here. I want mine pretty fine, so I'm going to do that right there. Have mine plugged in, and you're just going to press the button. So you can see it puts that in there really quick. So once it gets to your setting, it will turn off automatically. And you can see that's ground up so nice, so fine. And it smells so good as a result. So really easy to use.